Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your lost Honor 400 Pro is in the lost database. Okay, so we are on the email info page, and now we're gonna check is our Honor 400 Pro in the lost database on that site. So we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on that site, and also in that video I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number on your Honor 400 Pro. So if you want, you can look for it. And now click on this blue button, check IMEI, once you have typed your IMEI number. Okay, now we have our device, but now we need to scroll down a little bit into the downside, just like that. And now in here you can see that we have the basic checks, and the last option is the lost device check. So we are interested in that. And now in here type your IMEI number. You can also type your second IMEI number or your serial number if you want. And now let's click on this blue button, check lost/stolen status. And now, as you can see, this device is reported in the IMEI.info lost/stolen database. And in here you can see some information about the city, the incident date, the description, the price, the contact name, the mail, phone number, is it verified, the date on which it was verified, is it reported, and the date on which the report was created at. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.